I sit up a little tough bed right this and me I relax because I'm a G. Me I hold it like a G. I'm go so boom, I'm fold my hand and I sit down and I'm sit down there and them come for me and say, them start asking some question like, what is your name? Where you come from? How much? Them look something there. And me I relax and me I talk to them same way, but me not have no shoes in their cool. Because so boom now me I reason with them and I talk to them and tell them my name, how much and them thing there. I'm dead. So the policeman said to me say, do you know this person? I said, no, I don't know. Them come again with the next man. You know what I say? I don't know. Them come again with the next one. I say, I don't know. I never know nothing yet. Anyways, them say them not get no time. So them go so boom now and take me and carry back on our room. Lock me up in there. In the cool, man. I go so I ring a buzzer and say to them, say, I'm feeling very cold. I need something to cover my body. Them give me one look of file paper. One look of, that file paper stuff. That little file paper stuff me there. One look of, it make whole heap of noise. So I take that and I relax. I did it and I say, no, man, I still feel cold same way. Nothing now work as so. That little file paper stuff me and I help me with that little coldness that me I go. So I did it and I relax. And I ring the buzzer again and I say to them, say, I'm feeling very cold. I need something to cover my body. Because this thing, it cannot help me. I tell them, say, it cannot help me. I feel very cold. My body is shivering. Them say, okay, them go for one big, ugly blanket. Okay, come give me. I'm go so boom and lay down on the bed and cover myself with the blanket. And I think, I talk to myself. When I look now, I say, one man come and he open the thing and he put in one long, one of them long bread there. The bread there long, but it dry, man. No little butter, no little nothing upon it, I go some man come out for the bed and take the thing from them. Go back and sit down on the bed and open the bread in that dry, tough man. I said, no man, I really them something them give people for them. This a madness, man. This a starvation. But then I'm go so good and just put on back the bread on the side of the bed there so. The toilet there right there so. I go so boom and get up come that's my period, I go so boom now I get up and go up on the toilet and I sit down on my pee. And my sister, my period, dead with it and my period now stop. So I start feeling like a cramp in my belly now. I ring the buzzer again because I say probably they're tired of me, but I never care. You understand? So I tell the man, say, I need a pill and I need a pad. He say to me, say, pad? What is pad? Remember, And an English-speaking country, So they're hard to understand this sitting there. So I say, my period is on me and I need a pad. He say, what is a pad? I say, pad, because I'm sick, I need pad. He say, pad? I don't understand what is pad, ma'am. So I say, in my mind, I say, stay free. He say, stay free. I go for one woman now, the woman come. I explain to the woman, tell the woman, say, I'm on my period, my belly cramp, and I need pad. So she say, oh, napkin. That time, them, in my head, I say, napkin? Napkin is something you use and wipe your face and then look at something so what kind of something I call napkin? Anyways, I tell her I say I need pad. She says napkin it name. She goes so good, she go away, she come back with one pad. Then big overnight pad, they were long from your front, go straight out to your body run so. She come back with one pill, one little pink pill like. I take a pill from her, take a pad from her. I'm go so boom and I wait till them go before me start change. I'm go so boom now wrap up the pad. You see the bread with the pad. You see the bread where the bread bag where the bread coming out. I eat them push that pad. Come here say when me go put the pad here now, me can't put it in the toilet. No bin no in there for flush nothing. So I'm go so boom now. The bread will then give me with the bread. I in that bag them push the pad and put on the new one. Yeah. Anyways, them go so boom now and say to me say, a time for carry me. Go to the jail. So I say, okay, no problem. But so boom no one, I take up it, them say I take up the bread bag. But me I say, I don't want this, I don't want the bread, nothing in there. You know, I dash it away. I take it up, I go so boom and dash it, now I been with me, I go away. Then put on the handcuff for me hand so, but a front way, them handcuff me. Put on the thing for me hand, front way. Me handcuff, I'm going to the car. I'm going to the car now, and thing. One man come on and come sit down with me. Then the next one come beside me. So they put me in the middle. Anyways, me didn't know the next man I drive and the next one on the other side. I'm a daddy and me I watch them. Be a siren and be excitement. Woo, be a nice in the city. Like something, like me do one big crime, like me did kill somebody. Now I pay them my me I watch them see me reach at the jail now. I come out and thing, them check me. My woman she start feel up my ear. She go so and she go and eat my brassiere. She feel up my bottom. She go between my crotches. She go everywhere. I watch her make she do what she do. We go and eat one monitor thing now for go and eat the monitor for check my body scan and see if nothing dey me see me. We go and eat that and whatever. I'm reaching at the jail. I'm reaching at the jail now. I see some big people like them big chunk people that come out of one place with some whole heap of bib on them. Like them have on like one of them have on pink bib, one have on blue, a beer color different bib. I see them come with one crate. When the crate come, the crate have sheet. You got something there? Sheet, pillowcase, spoon, fork, cup, plate, everything all rag with a bed. I want like a bed slippers and some prison clothes. So I see it now, I say, all right then, share this you don't come out for the rest of your life. So I did it. I take the thing from them. They said to me, say, if I want to go shower, I say yes. Because night I reach, so I have to go take a shower. So when they say, you want to shower? I say, yes, I want to shower. So boom, now I'm going to take one shower. I tell the woman, say, I say my period, so I need a next napkin, because napkin them call it. I can't say pad again. So I tell the woman, say, I'm seeing my period, I need a next napkin. She come and she bring one big pack of napkin, come give me. She come, my bed, in the bathroom, me a bed. But when me a bed, the woman outside I watch me. Come out of the bathroom, and the woman ask me if I finish, I say, yeah. I go, so boom now, I'm a daddy and I come out, and I walk, and I have the crate in my hand, same way. And I walk, them tell me, them carry me go one sale. Them carry me go to one sale, I see one Nigerian girl. So I go, so boom now reaching at the sale and I sit down there on the chair, and I watch a girl, and the girl watch me. So she said to me, say, hi. So I say, hi. She said, what's your name? I said, my name is Shay. She said, oh, okay. My name is Blessing. So I said, okay. She said, where you from? I said, Jamaica. She said, oh, there's a lot of Jamaicans here, I said, yeah. She said, yes, there's a lot of Jamaicans here. I said, okay. She said, well, I come from Nigeria. I said, okay, nice to meet you, Blessing. How old are you? Can you them start asking a whole heap of questions, man? How old are you? I said, I'm 28. She said, 28? I said, yes. She said, no, man. You look very young. I said, no, I'm 28. Yeah, so I said, no, I'm 28. She said, no, you look very young. Because that time there, I have ear on my head, so I catch up my ear and I want like a little, Yeah, because remember them take the wig from me, So I have to go so boom and take one elastic and go so boom and catch up my ear and I want to full on the ponytail and that, so no. So, I look young like a little girl. My daddy and thing no and she tell me some look young and she asked me if I have kids. She started, because when I got to prison, them ask her a question. Especially meet a little roommate, I be a question, them start questioning you. She started asking me if I have kids. I tell her I have one son. Then tell me I breed it. I say yes, I have one son. And thing, I tell her, she say, oh, I come here. So I tell her, I come here, come look for somebody. I come teach class. You understand? It's a dancing class. I come teach, and things happen. I pick up no code. Yeah. So that I tell her and thing, and she say, wow. So I say, oh, you come here. She say, they locked me up for trafficking. So I say, trafficking what? Trafficking what? And she say, let me tell him a story. So I say, what is the story? She start telling me, say, she live in Spain and some girls did come and to dance at one club and she was working with somebody which is her boyfriend and them supposed to make the girl them dance and pay back them money because like she said to me say she pay for them ticket come to Spain so them supposed to pay back them money while them dance and she take the passport from them and thing and she started at them while going. I listen to her, I say, wow. So I say to her, say, boyfriend really put her through all of these things? She say, yes. So I say, don't see a boyfriend from them. She said, no, I'm still there Spain. So I say, oh, you reach a Belgium. She say, she there Spain. I do the time and Belgium send for her because the crime was in Belgium, not in Spain. So she cannot do her time in Spain. She have to do it in a Belgium. Because so Belgium stay, you know, any crime you do in the country, you have to stand here and tell them ready for send you yard. You understand? Yeah. So she started to tell me say the crime happened in a Belgium, not Spain. So she said Belgium send for her from Spain to come back in a Belgium, come do her time. When she don't do her time, them send her back. So I said, okay then. So I asked her how long she in here for. She said 6 years she has spent. You know my heart starts skip a beat because I say 6 years? 6 years I can stay in prison for? So I say 6 years and she said how much time I get? I say I don't know. Because I don't know anything. Remember, I just going on. I don't know nothing. I said to her, I don't know. Them just tell me say I'm going to stay here until I see a judge Monday. Because I get locked up Sunday. So the Monday before I see the judge. So them say me have to stay until I see the judge Monday morning, 9 o'clock. So I say, okay, no problem. And me and I attack and thing and me I tell her, I say, I don't know the time when them will give me, but I know the crime and I do it wrong. Anyways, I didn't know one thing. And me attack. And me and I reason and, you know, time I come down for me. Time I come because hours a night now I come down and she did and she just a chat because she want to chat me out. You understand? But me I listen to her. But did me attack to her, me and I did a reason we attack and you know me and I attack and she tell me a little life story. Then go say, boom, no, Miss Stewart, it's time for you to have a shower. So I say, okay, no problem. Go say, boom, I'm going to the bathroom. Take my little shower. Them have curtain and thing in the bathroom. Nice, you know, man. Like how uptown me live, you know. I tell you about nice shower, you know. Shower head with sprinkle where you can do anything where you want to do. It all change color. Shower curtain, everything. And nobody not see when you're bed. Start feel comfortable now, you know. Like me, I get comfortable. I take my shower, I come out. Them give me clothes to put on again. Go so boom and throw on them old pressure clothes. Them give me towel, everything. Come out of the bathroom now. When I come out of the bathroom, I go in the room. I see the Nigerian woman the same way. When I see the woman the same way, I see one big crate come. When I look at the crate, shower gel, toothpaste, toothbrush, soap. So I start see everything in a little crate where them give me now and thing. I mean I say, this look like me now go home. Because if you not fool me up with them look something, I'm not going home. I see cream in there. Lotion. You know look thing them. I see perfume. I see axe spray. I put them out in the I forgot in the bathroom, I forgot yes, I forgot this too. I go so boom, I say, yeah. I pack out my things them. I go yes, I go this too. Pack out my things them and thing now. I look again, I see bread, I see butter, I see jam, I see chocolate. I could never jail this to me there. I'm not jail this. Jail girl them something, yeah? No man. My daddy and thing and I go so boom now, I just take out 2 slices of bread and go so boom and paste it with some jam. And put the chocolate over it. And paste it and go so boom and lock the bread together and start bite. Yeah? Understand? Yeah, start bite. Start bite the bread now. When I look now, I see the girl, Nigerian girl, offer me some syrup. So she give me the syrup, she put the syrup in a cup and she give me water up on top of it and tell me how much I want. She give me 1 little spoon for mix it round. So I said, no man, I'm a good man. Because a woman name the bread and drink a little syrup and water. Them say 9 o'clock them a come for me, so I'm ready for 9 o'clock for go to the courthouse. Because I say, in my mind, I say, I go home, I go away, but I don't know what them are thinking of for them head. But in my head, I did have it say, I go home, I'm not staying in here because I'm not live here. Anyways, go so boom now. 9 o'clock them come for me, them put the cuff on my hand, them take me, carry me outside, scan me, put me in the truck, we go to the courthouse. I reach at the courthouse now. So one judge, then one liar, then some police and some other people in one black gown and one white wig. To me, I said, this look interesting. Relax, she. Go so boom no one. My liar come to me and say, hi. So I say, hi. Him say, my name is so-and-so. Boom, bam, bam, bam. And I am your lawyer for today. So I say, okay, nice to meet you, whatever. him say, him whisper to me and say, I'm going to get you out of here. So in my mind, the man give me a okay, like say, I'm going to get rid of me. I'm going to get me out of that place, say, no. Him say, don't worry, I'm going to get you out of here. So I say, okay. So I feel excited because I feel like I'm going to get me out for sure. My daddy and thing and going to one place, go sit down. The judge here so, me here so, liar here so, police them over there so. Me I watch you all go on. Remember, I don't know the language, you know. I speak English, I don't speak them language here. So I can't understand nothing what they must say. So anyways, no, my lawyer said to them, say, pardon me, Your Honor, but my client speak English. So please, can you all translate in English? Anyways, the judge says something, somebody translate it to me. The judge says something, somebody translate it. The judge says something, somebody translate it. You understand? So I say, okay. Me dede, me I listen. Them a tell me how my case go. Them a tell me how it go and whatever. Them tell me say, me for come back in 5 days time. I say 5 days. But the man tell me say man get me out today. So why me for come back in 5 days time? You know? So anyways, now I feel ignorant now because I say, you tell me say you go get me out now when judge tell me say for come back 5 days time. Lock up back in my hand. The lawyer come to me and said, don't worry, I'm working on it. You're going to go home. You're going to be free as soon as possible. In my head, I said, You tell me that the first time and it not happen. So where you going to tell me? Say, no. You understand? I go, so boom, no. Police came me outside, came back in a van. Came me back, go back to jail. But then at the jail, I come off. Then take everything off of me hand. So boom, no, and them carry me back at the jail house and thing. And I did it. And when I reach back here now, I see the girl blessing. And she say, what happened? So I say, judge said 5 more days time. She said 5 more days? She know she woman said to me say, when I tell her 5 more days time, she said to me say, when you go to that 5 days place, they're not going to let you, girl. You know what they're going to do to you? They're going to let you stay here, and then after, them give you another time and tell you to keep coming back. So I say, when she explained to me, I say, so like a serious something for true. Me nah go home for true. So stop me the judge I tell you say him, not the judge, the liar tell you say him a work pan it. The liar man tell him not work pan it. Now my mind that me I say, you know. Yeah. So me did and thing and you know, me did and me I explain to her and she tell me say this happen and that happen. So me I say me nah go home. For true, me nah go home for true. She ya tan. You understand? Me did it. Me not did they talk. And you know, I mean I say me nah go me yard, you know, man. I hear me a turn for true, you know, me nah go me yard. I say, what me I go do here now? Me have to call my family them. I start think about my family them now. I say, Ray. Me I start think I say, right, me have to call my family them, you know, cause this look like it really serious. What's the girl tell it? Remember, you know, she did jail before me, you know. So me I listen to what she tell me say, you know, cause she did it before me. So she me I work off her. Me not work for the liar, because the liar tell me say, I'll get me out the same day, I never go out. You understand? My daddy and I said, I not go home. I not go home for sure. So I said, Rashi, you're not going home, we're going to stay here. So I start get comfortable now, right? Because I start get comfortable because me I listen to the girl. The girl I said, I not go. So me I listen to she. So I start get comfortable now. Start take my mind off and say, I go home. All right. I did it for the days. I did it. Me and I did it talk. I get to know new people. When I time to eat, like go around people for eat and so, you know them have to call you out to yourself to eat. Around the people them. You understand? Yeah. So, the one of them come now, bam, home every door to everybody say everybody for come out of them room. When I look now, I see one big crowd of people with one multiple table and chair. I'm going to take the plate now, I'm going to go see me and pass them and give me the plate and tell me say, food, I'm going to take up the food I want. So, when I realize, say, are you for pick your own food? Me I say, of course, you got jail like this and you have to take out your own food. I know so prison go. Prisoner people share food, girl. They say share own food, share. I go so boom now, I start take lettuce, tomato, cucumber, start pack up in a one little pot. When I look now, I see rice. I take out rice. I see one little, like I want beef, but the beef full of sauce, like it red, like a whole heap of ketchup. Because I put one little that's about 2 pieces of the beef pan. I say, come on, know what me and yam, but me and yam. I put two little beef on the side right there, so catch up right there, so I don't really know how, but it look like a beef. Anyways, go so boom, I'm take out everything and I go on my table, go sit down. I go on my table, go sit down, and the girl in my room, she come sit down beside of me. I see one Chinese girl come over to me and say to me, say, oh, that's my seat. So I say, that's your seat? What seat? She said, where you sitting? So I said to the Nigerian girl, say, everybody in here have a seat? The Nigerian girl say, no, I don't know about that bike. I don't know what she's talking about. So I say, she say, it's fair seat, so probably may have to get up. You know what? I say, probably may have to get up. So I go, so boom now. And say, me I get up. When me I get up now, the woman, the Nigerian woman goes so one and I go so boom me back on the chair. So she said, girl, don't move. Don't move from here. So I said, no man, this not safe.
Hey guys, what's up beautiful people? It's your girl Nadia Official. Yeah, this is social media personality Shay, and she is sharing her story about how she was locked up in Belgium prison. You understand, she give her experiences them. Experience teaches wisdom, so sometimes we have to listen to one another as them share them experience. So big up Shay, she sharing her experience. So I hope you guys enjoy the first part. I have part 2 for post and I have part 3 for post. So if you enjoy part 1, stay tuned for part 2 and part 3. Big up on yourself out there. Yeah, it's not an easy road for some of us Jamaicans. You're not being locked up abroad, and you know, it's good to hear each and every one of us experience. Now, I want to take the time out of my day to big up each and every one of you who there with me at daytime, who comment on a video, who like a video, who share a video. And even if you just watch one video for me, big up yourself same way. Blessings to each and every one of you who there and keep the page festive. Now, for all of you who send me DM message, thank you. Manners and respect for all of the DM messages. Thank you for all of the love. Thank you for all of the support. Big up on yourself. For all who did it, contribute to me, lawyer fee, big up on yourself, respect to no manners to you understand what I try to say? And you don't know, the PayPal is there on the page, so just look for the PayPal if you want to donate to the lawyer fee for me. Bless up on yourself out there, people. Respect and manners to each and every one of you. I appreciate it. Blessings, you understand what I try to say? Now, for those of you asking about the YouTube channel, it's called Naked with Nadia. The Facebook is called Naked with Nadia Unfiltered. The Instagram is called Nadia _official _FR. The TikTok is called Nadia _official _FR. Do the right thing, no man. Like up all of the platform them so you don't miss a thing. Because any one of the platform them you can catch me pan, and it always festive, it always real, it always official, because you don't know this is Nadia Official. Special thank you to all of my top followers them, top supporters them. Me know uno. No uno self, me know uno because as me see the top fan badge pa uno page or the top followers badge pa uno page, me have to check uno out and me have to show uno that they love them and respect what uno show me too. So me try my best for know uno by heart. Right now, me know uno by heart. So anybody coming on my page and say, yo, Nadia, me follow you for it. Me know if I lie and me know if I true, because me know all of my top fans them. Me know all of my top supporters. Me know all of my top followers them. Big up on yourself. Big love, big respect. Uno don't know, this is uno girl Nadia Official. And I always keep things real. I always keep things official. Big up on yourself out there, people. Peace and love. Peace and love. Spread joy across the world. Peace. I'm out. Bye.